Hey friends, if you're unable to save files to the desktop, then please watch this video. Now this can have countless reasons. So first of all, check the space in the C drive. Is there no space in the C drive? If yes, that is the case, then search for disk cleanup. Go to disk cleanup, click on OK. Check all of these boxes here. Click on OK and then select delete files. Now this will delete the files and it needs a while and it will free up a little bit of space. If you're unable to make space this way, then you can go to downloads and delete a few more files from here to make more space because a lot of files in the downloads folder are redundant. Okay, if that doesn't help, then maybe the issue is not with space, maybe the issue is with broken files. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator, type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. If it is a company managed system, then the situation is a little more difficult because your company server could be preventing you from saving files on the desktop. So there could be countless reasons. If your issue is not resolved, then let us know in the comment section of the video and we will investigate it further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.